Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for July 9, 2020. Today we're taking a look at the EURUSD, the Euro versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. We're at a significant level here for the currency pair today. 1.1330 is being challenged as a breakout or potential reversal. That's the purple shaded area we see up here at the top of this black box. 1.131530 is that purple shaded area. We could see a few times where the market's been above there but turned right back around and went back down. So we're watching for clues to that as well. Could be reversal point, as we have seen it before, or it could be the breaking point where it will continue to push higher. We have, of course, a couple of targets higher, the yellow and the blue shaded area, as we've seen before on the currency pair. Let's go ahead and zoom it in a little bit. Let's talk about what's happened previously, way back here on the left hand side. I'll just draw a black circle back here so you know where I'm talking about. Way back here on the left hand side, you can see got above the purple shaded area, went to the yellow zone a few days, and even spiked up to the blue zone before making a turn back lower again. A couple other places I want to point out is, and I think are very important for us today, right here. And I'm going to make that circle a different color. Let's make that a red circle so it's easy to identify. A red circle, we saw a false breakout and the market turned back around and went back in the other direction. Here we see the market getting above the purple shaded area and turning back around and going back down. So a couple of times we've seen the market hit this area, hit the yellow zone, turn back around and go back down to the bottom of the range. That's important for the past, well, previous 3 days, now the fourth day in a row, because we've now seen it challenging above 1330. But here on the daily time frame, we don't see any significant breakout above, not even a close above 1330. And I think that's important for us today as we look for new opportunities, that it has not closed above 1330 and holding it as resistance. Even if you take that span between the purple and the yellow zone and call that your area of resistance between 1330 and 50, we could see the market finding resistance in that area, turning around and going back down. So history shows that this is a significant decision point for the euro dollar. So it needs to have a confident signal of a break above here before we can really buy the euro dollar again in the direction of our current momentum, which has been bullish for the past week and a half, 2 weeks. Otherwise, back underneath this purple zone may give us an opportunity for a reversal for the currency pair. Take it down to the 4-hour time frame. It doesn't really give us a whole lot of confidence here. Again, the two red circles, let's see. This one here, the market did quickly open and close above the purple zone, small red circle, go to the yellow zone, but quickly turned back around and went back down. This one here, the second one, just found some resistance right there and turned back around and went back down. And here we see a little bit of a difference, isn't it? Where we've gotten above it, spiked to the yellow zone, and then a rapid infusion of selling orders. That rapid infusion of selling orders gives me a pause about buying it right now, that we could legitimately see back underneath the purple zone and back to the green zone. Even if we take a quick trend line of the most recent uptick here, the blue trend line, it wouldn't be out of the question for the market to make a little bit of a pullback, pushing back under the purple zone and pushing back down towards the green zone. So we're watching this purple zone with intent. What's the momentum? What's the volume going to do here around this purple zone? I mentioned volume because that's something we look at quite a bit in the live trade room as a signal for entry. And as you can see here, the market has come down to the purple zone on the volume indicator and just holding there in a holding pattern above the 1330, right around the 1330 level. So the question, of course, of the day is, will we see this eventually turn back green and bullish and start moving back higher again? Or will it just break on through that purple shaded area and continue to go lower? That's the two things that I'm going to be watching today. Either a bounce signal of bullish volume to go back up, or a turn back lower once again under the purple shaded area for the turn back down towards the green zone on the euro dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.